Hello and welcome to Co-Learning Lounge presents IPL Fantasy Team of the Day. I am your host Nitalia Garwal and we are here to predict our Fantasy 11 along with their four alternatives for 32nd game of this IPL season between KKR and Mumbai Indians. So, guys, I would like to draw your attention first to our social media platforms where we have our first thing is our YouTube channel where you can like, comment, share, subscribe, and also give your feedback, suggestions, or any thing you want to tell us about our team or what team you selected. Any comments are welcome. We would love to hear from you. Along with that, we also have a WhatsApp and Telegram group where we are posting update, post toss in case of any change and also any last minute updates. Also, we are posting in the project. So do watch out that space between 7 p.m. to 7:20 p.m. We would be posting over there who are the players who have made it to Fantasy 11. Means there are changes any in and out players. So that update would be available on WhatsApp and Telegram group. Guys, I would also like to inform you one more thing that as we informed you previously as well, that we are working on improvement of model further, taking other factors also into consideration. So we have come up with a new model, or I would say an improved model, where we are checking the consistency of the batsman as well as the bowler based on different other parameters or setting the threshold values. So based on that, quickly moving to our Fantasy 11 players. First set of players we have here are our keeper category, and for that we have Ishan Kishan and Quinton de Kock. Ishan Kishan has been consistent for MI and can be added in place of Tripathi. So he is one of the pick in a Fantasy 15, but not making to Fantasy 11 because he's an alternative choice that we have in place of Tripathi. That's Rahul Tripathi. And Quinton de Kock, he has consistency score of 63.9% in our latest model, which is the highest among all the batsmen in this game. This means that he scores more than 20 runs in 64% of the game. So that's what I was talking about when I told you that we have come up with a new model. So based on that, you would be seeing some changes in the statistics. So these are in keeper category that we have the players. Quinton de Kock is making to Fantasy 11 and Ishan Kishan is one of the alternate choices. Moving towards our batsman category, we have E. Morgan, Surya Kumar Yadav, Shubham Gill, Rohit Sharma, Rahul Tripathi, and N. Rana. So E. Morgan, second highest run scorer of KKR so far, so he's definitely one of the picks. Then Surya Kumar Yadav misses out because he isn't bowling, so he is, but he is the player that you would still like to pick based on the stats and the new model. So we are making him in our Fantasy 11, but you might like to give it a different choice. But definitely, he's one of the pick. He is. We are not missing out on him. So now next is Shubham Gill, the most consistent player of KKR so far and has been performing really well. His stats are backing him up quite well. Moving towards our next player, Rohit Sharma, second best consistency score of 61.7%. As I explained you, what is consistency score? So based on that, he is the second best in this game among all the players. So definitely he's one of the pick. And then Rahul Tripathi made an impact in all the games he has played so far. It will be huge gamble to leave him out. So we don't want to mess with the stats. So that definitely he's one of our picks. And N. Rana, he is one of the alternate choices, has come to KKR's rescue a lot of times, but is not that very consistent. And few matches we have not been seeing his great form. But definitely you can't just take a call based on one or two matches. Can be added in place of Tripathi, so he is one of the picks, alternate picks that you have. Moving towards a third category, these are the bowlers. As I told you previously, they are the most important categories. You bank upon them for winning any match. Even your dream team selection also depends upon them. So we have Jasprit Bumrah, T.A. Bolt, and P.J. Cummins, Rahul Chahar, and P. Krishna. So Jasprit Bumrah can be added in place of Bolt. Has missed the place because of the credit points, but he is also a good bowler and he is a wicket-taking bowler. So he has a good wicket-taking ability. So definitely you can think about him in place of Bolt. Now we have T.A. Bolt. He picks himself up as he has been picking up wickets. His consistency is really, very good in terms of wicket taking ability. His career stats, recent stats, everything favor him much. So definitely he is a pick. PJ Cummins so misses out due to credit. As we told you, there are many number of factors which play a role while creating a fantasy 11 team. So it is just the credits, but his stats are good. So he could be one of the alternate picks. Moving towards Rahul Chahar. So Rahul Chahar, he will be X factor player. So I don't need to give any more reasoning for that. Definitely he's one of our pick. And P. Krishna. So bowled well in the couple of games he featured in. So you won't like to miss him out also. That means his recent form is quite well. So we have alternate picks as Jasprit Bumrah and PJ Cummins. And T.A. Bolt, Rahul Chahar and P. Krishna make to a fantasy 11. Moving towards our best category, I would say, who are good with bat and ball both. We have two players over here, K.A. Pollard and Andrew Russell. So K.A. Pollard, Andrew Russell, I don't need to give a reason for them why we are picking them up. Their career statistics are awesome. Their recent stats are really good. Might be one or two matches have been off, but that's fine. That happens. It's an unpredictable game. You just can't justify any player. You can't write that player off based on one or two matches. So definitely these are the two picks. Now a quick recap about our team. We have in keeper category Quinton de Kock. Batsman we have Rohit Sharma, Rahul Tripathi, E. Morgan, Shubham Gill, and Surya Kumar Yadav. In bowlers, we have T.A. Bolt, P. Krishna, and Rahul Chahar. And all-rounder category, you have Kieron Pollard and Andrew Russell. Alternative choices are Ishan Kishan, N. Rana, P.J. Cummins, and Jasprit Bumrah. So this is our team for the day. Now moving towards the last but not the least part of the day, definitely pro tip section. So pro tip for today is when you select a team for a particular match, you need to be proactive in every way. You need to be aware of all the updates and last minute changes in the team to select the right squad. So guys, be on your toes when you are seeing the toss happening, because that's the very short window. You have to make some changes in your team. That's the reason that you should watch out of WhatsApp and Telegram group. Don't miss out on that. And we will meet again tomorrow. Thank you all. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.